Welcome to Cultura Cooking. Today we are going to make a sushi. What is a sushi? Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish of prepared vinegared rice, usually with some sugar and salt, accompanying a variety of ingredients such as seafoods, often raw, and vegetables. But do you know that there are many types of sushi? And one that we are going to make today is called maki sushi. This type of sushi is very common among us, and it has a side dishes such as cucumber, eel, or salmon. This dish is neatly arranged on top of the rice and rolled with a rectangular bamboo webbing called makiso, and it's wrapped with seaweed. So first I did it. First, I cut the seaweed into a rectangular shape. Then I place the rice on the top of the seaweed, and I make sure that my finger are wet so the rice will not stick. So I have my water on the side. So I evenly spread the rice. Then on the top, I put the salmon. And carefully roll the seaweed and the rice. Now I carefully place it into a chopping board and cut in a small pieces. So another common type of sushi we often order in a Japanese restaurant are nigiri sushi. This kind of sushi is an oval-shaped rice, and side dish are placed on the top. The other one is called chirashi sushi. It's a homemade menu and very common in Japan. The rice are only being placed in a bowl together with the side dish. Next one is called sashimi. A sashimi is a piece of fish arranged with the rice. So it's a plain fish just neatly arranged on the top of rice. Other one is oramaki. So if the maki sushi, the seaweed is being rolled outside the rice, the oramaki is the contrast. So the seaweed is placed inside the rice and the rice is outside. And the other one is called timaki, or a hand-rolled sushi. And there are many more. That's our sushi for today. We'll do a little bit of presentation and let us enjoy our meal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video of Cultura Cooking.